Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we've got a beer from the Whiplash Brewery out of County Wicklow in Ireland, and this is their Scaldy Porter, coming in at 5.5% ABV, and the IBUs on this one is 61. Croaky voice going on here. So here's the beer, cracking artwork. I am contacted by the artist involved. Hopefully it's on the can here. Just says, brewed by Whiplash for Whiplash at Lashing Brewing Co out of County Wicklow in Ireland. Just a bit of information there. Best before on this one, the 22nd of May of 2019. So yeah, 440ml can, 2.4 UK units, 5.5% ABV, 61 IBUs. I can't remember the artist involved in this, but I'll put it down below because maybe like a sieve. I'm on a bottle share, a can share, whatever. So try not to keep my good friend waiting too long for the other half of this beer. Let's try and generate a little bit of head on this one, see what colour it turns into. Oh, that's a lovely looking porter. So it's almost like a it's more like a mocha coloured head, one finger, tiny pat bubbles. There is a little bit of rubiness coming through at some points. Yeah, more at the bottom of the glass into the light, but yeah, generally jet black. Quite a dense looking porter if you like. Excuse me. So, great looking beer in a glass. Really nice. Got this back on here. So you can see the artwork. Aroma. Oh, real kind of nice rich roasted malt almost. Coffee, chocolate. Yeah, maybe a little bit of cocoa powder. Some dark fruits, plums, dates, raisins. Quite rich, yeah, more of a, maybe a bit of cherry kind of. It's almost got like a Black Forest Gatto aroma, maybe a bit of tobacco smoke, bit of leather, bit of kind of like like burnt brisket kind of meat, but not smoked beer kind of, smoked. It's more of a kind of like a charred brisket, I'd say. Smells lovely. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Wow, it's actually quite smoky on. It's more smoky on the actual taste than on the actual aroma. Not like a Schankerler out of Germany kind of smoky beer. It's more of like a gentle kind of smoke. Coffee, chocolate. Yeah, it's more of a kind of a milk chocolate, I'd say, on the taste, rather than any kind of. There is a little bit of kind of cocoa powder, but yeah, lovely kind of creamy mouthfeel. It reminds me in some ways of a milk stout, but not quite to that decadent kind of level. There was a little bit of edge to the beer. But yeah, lovely roasted malts, creaminess. There is a little bit of I'd say probably fig, cherry, that sort of thing. Slight sweetness from that. Fantastic beer. Not picking up any kind of the ABV as you'd expect at 5.5. Certainly not the IBUs. It's not, to me, it's not a very bitter beer. It's just a very well balanced, drinkable 5.5% porter, which, is probably on the mid-level range for the ABV for a porter, I'd say. Yeah, super tasty beer, really nice. Let's go through any ingredients in this one. Unfiltered and unpasteurised, best before sea, base, blah 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 blah. for allergens, see ingredients in bold. Class beer, English. There we go. Ingredients: water, barley, hops, yeast. And that's it. It's not really something that's going into other languages. Italian and Spanish. There we go. It's a bit more here. Pale malt, Munich malt, brown malt, smoked malt. There you go. Smoked malt, brown malt again. So is it double malted? I don't know. Chocolate malt, and then Columbus, and then the WLP007, whether that's a new hop variety. I should know, but I don't. Anyway, that matters not. There's no other information on the can, but yeah, really nice beer. There's the other side of the can. And then there's the artwork again, which I'm embarrassed that I can't remember her name. Anyway, I'll put that down below. I know she's on Instagram, I'll put the link there. So in terms of rating then, yeah, it's a steady, robust porter, as it says. So I'll give this an 8 out of 10. So it's a 4 or a fourth out of 5 on the Untapped scale. On Untapped, incidentally, there's not loads of people who've had this beer. 9 people who follow me on Untapped have had this, and coming in at 3.94, so that's about right. And then 852 ratings elsewhere for the whole global kind of check-ins of this beer, 3.79. So that's just a shade on like 7.5 out of 10. So yeah, I think it's a fantastic beer, and yeah, steady beer that I would definitely buy again. I'd love to try this on. Imagine this was on cask. Oh, that'd be fantastic. I'd love to try this on cask. Whether they do cask or not, I'm not too sure. Maybe my good friend Alan over in Dublin could let me know on that one. But anyway, either way, let me know if you've had this one before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.